The woman I take up bell, so she go slap me.
Where in a small house?
Me say, woman, if ever blood clot lick me today, I'm gonna war in this, man. Me say, when I tell me woman lick me, as a woman lick me, so my fire thump in her head. And then bring me in the office. And say, I think he's ready to go to the boys' part now, to the big people part, because he's a big man. You see, I think he's ready to go to the big people section. Go by big people section, blood clot. Every day, man, me have to war on you when you got over food. Every day, me have to fight, man. Every day we fight. And the people must say, yo, you did that like big man, man. We not take you out of the house, you go turn out of the house. Right now, if me tell them say I win, I'm not going to believe it because I'm still maga. But me I tell you, bro, usually fight every day, bro, for food. Usually fight every day, bro. Usually fight every day, dog, for food, youth. Me I tell you, dog. What do you see when I girl them where grew up at home, so I call them girl them sister. What do you see girl, she are going to a supermarket. Remember?
No, I know a supermarket, she left from the gas station.
She are going to a gas station to buy something. You see?
She said she I wanted a man that walk with her.
Yeah, man, that another youth that they grew up at home to but him they left early. You see, because I'm a big man. You see? Me I tell the man, so me see girl dog. The girl said, Jaydenn, me I buy something. As she said, me I buy something, so me just take out some money and gear. Me just dip in a 50 million bag and gear some money. Me never give a fuck how much me gear. You see, because them girls they usually protect me when me there homes and them things. Anytime them girls they go work and them things, bro. Them girls they make sure say me good. When they come on to maths, them girls them girls usually teach me and them things that them girls usually kick me in my face and them box me in my face and I say, yo, learn. Learn. Me I tell you, youth. Yeah. That's something usually learn, bro. Me have to sit down on all rock. Me have to kneel down on all rock. If you know me time stable and them things, bro. Sit down, me have to kneel down on rock.
But you know it now, be? Say 3 times.
You know me bite.
You still don't know it. Oh, God.